All right, this thing's supposed to be waterproof.
Here's the test.
Still working. If you are here because you clicked on this video to see a GoPro review, I want you to know that you stumbled on to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. And if you've watched this channel before, you've seen the POV, point of view, of Ironworker Mike up there walking the beams with his new GoPro that he had on his hard hat. And ever since then, I have been jonesing to get me one of these. And today I went out and I got one. And I wanted to do a review on it. I know there's many reviews out there and there's all kinds of reviews and there's so many amazing GoPro videos. I actually kind of went down the vortex and was watching a few today at lunch. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna strap this thing onto my chest. I'm gonna strap this thing onto my head. I got the straps for my hand. And I'm gonna go around for about a week and I'm gonna do what I do. Go to work, come work on the car, do stuff around the house, and I'm going to test this thing out in all the different modes, and I'm going to bring a review to you. So right now I'm going to roll a montage of clips from the head, from the chest, from my hand, from wherever I strap this baby down to, and I'm going to come back at the end of the video and I'm going to tell you what I think of this GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. Stay tuned. You don't think that's all I did? It's time to turn it up to 11. So it wouldn't be a good review if I didn't put her to the test. Let's launch her out there and catch some fish. Caught a stick. What is going on? I promised you a review after all that montage of goodness. GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition is amazing. As you can see right there, you have that little display screen in the front. Shows you everything you need to know. Look at the back, big old display screen. You can see everything that is going on with it. You saw all the cool things I did. Zip lining. It beeps. You heard it beep right there. It does time lapse. It does everything. And the cool thing is there's actually an app for your phone where you can go back and look at the videos. You can edit the videos. You can do all kinds of really cool stuff with it. You can control your GoPro with your phone. You can see everything. You can be sitting there with your phone, looking at your phone, seeing what your GoPro is doing. Right out of the box, this thing was able to go into the water. Chunked it in the water. Did not have to have any case or anything on it. Just chunked it in the water. It's still working. This thing is super, super cool. I didn't get paid to do this or anything like that. I just want to do a review. I'm going to use this at work. I'm going to use this on all the turning and burning videos. And with that said, I'm out of here. I'm out of town. I'm going to go get something to eat because we got some work to do in the morning. We got to get up early and pour some concrete. So you know what? I ain't dragging up, but I'm rolling on up out of here. Peace. This thing still working?